Hi, my name is Stephanie Toma, and for my presentation, I chose to cover the topic of who was Rasputin. This presentation will cover his early life, achievements, and his cause of death. Rasputin was known for his supernatural abilities and healing powers. He was also associated with the royal family of Russia. Rasputin was born on January 22, 1869 in Pokrovskoye, Russia, and was raised in a less fortunate environment. He received minimal education and was probably not taught to read and write. He got married at the young age of 19 and had 3 kids. Rasputin came to St. Petersburg to further his career as a monk. He is mostly acknowledged for healing Prince Alexei of his hemophilia. His powers were appreciated by the royal family and he was taken in. He participated in Russian politics and also made predictions during World War I. On December 29, 1916, Rasputin was invited to Yusupov's palace by conspirators. He was fed food that contained cyanide in an attempt to kill him. When that didn't work, they shot him multiple times and tossed him into the Neva River, where he was found 3 days later. This concludes my presentation on the life, achievements, and death of Russian monk Rasputin. Thank you.